When my physician first approached me about participating in this research program, I had no concerns or no hesitation. I really felt like if he thought I was a good candidate, then I probably was.
When Dr. Jetty talked to me about the research trial, I thought, man, this is really going to work for me because I have atrial fib, I'm diabetic, and I thought it would really be appropriate for me to come to this research.
When I was spoken to about this trial, I really had no hesitation because I knew that someone or many people years ago had participated in trials that had paved the way for my journey down the multiple sclerosis road, and I wanted to do my part in helping the people that are ahead of me in multiple sclerosis. I wanted to make their way as easy as someone had made my way.
The main reason I decided to participate in the study was because I had AFib, and the research drug that they wanted me to try had a lot of good benefits, I thought, and I thought maybe by doing it I could help it get to the market faster.
The main reason for me to participate in this study is I thought it would help me. This study could benefit me from the atrial fib and the diabetic, and the cholesterol could help me with that, and that's the reason why I decided to do the study.
The main reason I wanted to participate is if it was at all possible to make someone else's path down the multiple sclerosis road easier. I wanted to do that for them.
The staff. What was it like the first day I walked in to this place? I felt like I was home. Not only did they welcome me and make me feel like they appreciated that I was even here, but they were very professional. You were in and out in a timely manner. It doesn't get any better than that.
The staff here are very good. They, when they do blood draws, I can't even feel the blood draws. They're so good at what they do, and I appreciate what they do.
Working with this staff was absolutely a treat. I never hesitated in coming here. I was never uncomfortable in coming here. I, as a matter of fact, found every trip here to be fun. I was always at ease. They made everything stress-free. I thoroughly enjoyed myself with this staff.
My health has changed since I participated in my research trial for the better. I had AFib and I no longer have it, so that was a good thing for me.
Well, I look forward to coming out here and getting my meds, and hopefully I'm on the one that's working. I'm not on the placebo, but I think I feel better, and so I'm happy to be participating in the study.
These trials are absolutely necessary, and I want to be a part of finding a new cure or finding new drugs for multiple sclerosis.
The thing I liked best about participating in this research program was two things, really. the people here at the research center and the good that I hope that the medication I was taking was going to help people.
What I like best about participating was when I come out, they're ready for me. They get me through the process, and I'm on my way. They take good care of me.
What specific part of this trial did I like the best? The participation did I like the best? There was no specific part that I didn't like, but the part that I liked the best was probably my interaction with the staff here and my getting to know the staff, getting to interact with people who were dedicated to their jobs and dedicated to the furtherment of the research and just their joy of for their jobs was contagious, and their joy for their patients was contagious, and I just like being with the staff.
I would highly recommend anyone that's asked to participate in a research program to go for it. I don't know why. It's just, I had such a good experience that I have no negatives to say about it.
If anyone was interested in participating in this research trial, I would recommend it because I think it's important to get these drugs on the market to see what they're going to do, that they will help us in the future.
I would definitely encourage people to participate in a research trial. I felt very free to participate in this trial, and if someone had that much time on their hands, I would certainly encourage them to do so, because it's a very liberating feeling and a very fulfilling feeling to know that you're doing something good for medicine and for mankind.
Well, it got to where I enjoyed coming over here once a month to see the girls because, like I said, they make you feel so welcome. They're so professional. I don't know. I think my trial lasted a little over a year. So in that year's time, you do get to know the people that are working with you and helping you every time you come in. They kept me very informed of everything that was going on. If I had any questions about maybe a symptom I felt like I was having, first of all, they asked me that every time I came in, and eased any fears that I was having, or let me know that, it might be because of the research drug or it might not be. But other than that, it was just a very pleasant experience.
I'm sure thankful that they picked me to be in this research because I think it's important, and I'm looking forward to it helping my life, my lifestyle.
I am so thrilled that I was given the chance to do this, and I would do it again. And I hope that I can.